want to open this. Can I open it?
Yes, open the card.
I'm opening this screen first.
Here, give me your photo of me next to her. I'll get a photo.
Let's see what you get.
$3.
Okay, $3 it is.
These are my horrible handwriting.
Read the card. You got 12 scratch offs for your 12th birthday. Never got into it.
Happy birthday. Happy 12th birthday, Jake. I cannot believe how fast you're growing up. You're so helpful, kind, smart, loving, and so proud of the awesome person you're becoming. And I can't wait to see what this next year has in store for you. We love you so much, Mom and Dad.
He's crying.
Oh, he's crying. Yeah,
he's crying!
Phil,
Got some clothes.
Riz the ladies.
Yep, risen and up.
No!
Smell it. Tell me if you like the smell.
Yeah, you have to smell that.
Is that a good smell to Riz with?
No, stop.
Do you have cologne, KJ?
Yes, I actually have a lot of clothes.
It's good. Spray some on you. We can see what he smells like.
It's
Spray it on your neck.
Yeah, you
Spray it.
Yeah, you have to spray it like that.
Oh, look at you. We got donuts.
Phil, why are you sitting on the counter?
But we got donuts.
You don't care about the toys.
No.
I care about everything.
The ball set.
I will destroy you in that.
I will buy it.
Walkie-talkies.
We're the walkie-talkie.
Don't worry, we're probably gonna make something.
Wait, maybe we'll play the Geo with it. And then we can go do this. Oh, yeah.
Ah, yes, communicate.
Okay, what else did you get?
What else, Jake?
I need batteries. Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, that's boring.
Yeah.
At least it's not
I
trophy.
got a Google thing. It's like water bottle. How'd you even know I wanted this?
I just knew.
I wanted it.
Cause she is your mother.
That's a good one.
What is this? I don't know.
And she knows everything about you.
Yeah, I got his favorite candy. Have you had those before?
No, what is
They're
it?
like ginger shoes.
Okay, what else did you get? Is that it?
I need to know the ingredients.
I got a-
because my allergy.
Okay, so, here.
Dude.
And I got it.
Dude. Okay.
I want that one. Give me it.
You wanna go see the last present?
Give me the
Plain sugar, ginger, and happy.
Thank you.
Jake.
Where is it?
For you.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have to try it.
Okay, perfect.
Who is that? Jake.
It is dark and spooky.
It's in that big box.
What is
Yes. It's a surfboard.
No.
Watch a surfboard right
You
there.
are
Let's see
a
if
lucky
you-
ducky.
See if you can get it out, Jake.
Nope. Yeah, let's see if you can hold it. Let me
Was it?
Are you excited?
Uh-oh, Jake. Look at me. Or turn it around. Actually, it's okay. Let's see how easily you can, is it light?
That is $17.
Jake, look at me up.
I wanted this.
I love you
I
thought
want to try it out, too.
I love you thought
What's in that box?
$17 would be fun.
Nothing.
I know, right?
Oh, this? The fins.
That's pretty
Okay.
cool. Now we gotta go to the beach.
Good name.
For what?
Hillbilly?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Is there someone?
Going in the boat and jumping out the window.
You gonna jump out the window?
Crazy child?
Is that how you get on the boat? Are you gonna catch a fish?
Yeah?
Go stupid! Go crazy!
Is that how you feel right now?
Yeah.
That's cool.
And he's like, and then he's just, Merrill's like,
The forbidden word is no.
Hey guys, book it!
Stop jumping out the window, child!
I'm not jumping out the window. This is all we're gonna go in there.
Go.
Wait, how do
That's good.
I get out of this? Oh, I see.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm Phil.
Will.
Good to meet you.
How
Good to
you
meet
doing?
you.
Nice to meet you as well. I'm gonna get it to float,
Okay.
and then my wife's just gonna be on it and try to get it
Perfect.
because the road and what
Yeah. Yep.
So,
Thankfully, tide looks like it's up right now, so that's good.
yeah, so it's pretty common.
Yep.
Before I put it in the water, did you guys want to put your items on the boat first?
No,
or-
we can get it all put right here, and then we can put everything on.
Yeah.
This is the same exact boat we used to have.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you already know the rundown?
Yeah.
Turn the battery on in the
Yep,
back?
it's under the seat on the back. Yep.
All right. Well, I'm gonna get it to float, and
Cool.
then from there,
Hey, how you doing? Good. Good.
Is there just too much water in the engine? Or seaweed in the engine? Yeah, it could be stuck with seaweed. Or it could be a wasp.
Of course, I'm filming it.
hey Jake, what are we doing now?
What is this big stuff? Fishing off the dock.
Is it your birthday?
Yes.
Change of plans.
Yeah.
The boat wasn't working out, so now we get to go fish.
That sucks.
That's
Sucks
okay.
that the boat does not work. But, oh well, it happens.
It happens.
Holy.
Everly, you're gonna catch a big fish?
I will.
You are? Okay, now you have to catch one.
Oh, look what my friend did to me. She did this.
You're not holding a ride yet. When we get up there, you can fish, okay?
You're gonna fish. You're gonna catch the biggest one. Don't.
Okay, Jay, let me know if you need me to do it. You can even just like let it kind of sit here if you want to.
And if you feel something tugging, you pull.
As Mel said, little change of plans. The rental boat we got, the engine wasn't working. So we came back in and now we're fishing under the Barber Bridge in Vero Beach, which is next to Riverside Cafe. So this is a good look on what it's like to fish with kids under the Barber Bridge.
You wanna see it? Any nibbles?
I just got some.
Feel it, you got it. Okay, you got it.
Yeah, there's plenty of room. Phil, you want me to hook you up? Are you fishing? Hold on to it. What do you think? Are you gonna catch something?
I feel something.
You feel something?
Yeah, something just pulled on it really hard.
No what?
Look, it's got tugging up.
Okay, so we want to keep it off the wall. Keep it off the wall, so keep it over there. Keep reeling.
How do I do it?
Just keep going. You're doing it right.
What?
Push it forward. Good. Oh, you got a puffer fish.
Oh, Emma got one.
She got a little puffer fish. Actually, it's a gigantic puffer fish.
Hey, I got a puffer fish.
Hold on, I'm gonna get my.
I got a puffer fish. Something's pulling. No, Casey, look. Something's pulling on it.
Whoa, Lily. Good job, Lily. Reel it. Yeah, I know. You caught something?
Yep, I caught
Oh, reel it in.
Go, Emma. Go, Emma. What'd you catch? Need help? You come hold the rod. You had to come hold the rod. Keep reeling.
There you go, Emma.
There you go.
Okay.
Look at that. It's a beauty.
Well, snapper.
Guys, I already caught a puffer fish, and this is my second fish I've caught.
Yeah, how do I
Is it fun?
Let's see the rod.
Okay. Keep it level, like that, and reel. Nope.
Oh, what?
Watch out, because he's gonna recast.
What?
Beautiful woman. Alright, we're done with the fishing. Caught a couple puffer fish and one baby snapper. Just another example of how God wants us to continually roll with the punches, go with the flow, because we've only got so much time here. And we think part of God's purpose is for us to learn that. And so we're thankful to God that we get to spend this time together. Fun day. We're gonna go to the beach now. After we eat.
Yeah.
My wife's carrying all the stuff, and she looks amazingly, gorgeously beautiful as always. She's my everything. I love you.
I love you.
Lily, oh, Lily, look at the flowers.
Woo, look at the water.
Whoa, this is everything Lily likes.
Want to smell them? Smell the flowers.
Do they smell good?
They're pretty. What color are they?
Fine.
The pink.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Come on, beautiful. All right, lunch at Vero Beach Hotel and Spa, and then beach.
Smell the roses.
Had to stop and smell the roses. Because even when things go wrong, it's all still good.
I know.
Babe, that run. All right, Heaton's at Vero Beach Hotel and Spa is closed on a Thursday. So now we're at Ocean Grill, which our family's been coming to for 80 years. It was the Officers Club back when this was a naval air station. My grandfather was a captain in the Marines here, and this is where the Officers Club was. So we're gonna go have lunch at Ocean Grill now. Here's Emma.
Hiya. We're gonna have a cheeseburger.
That's just crazy. He went up to the front seat just to get out of there.
That sounds about right.
He crawled through the window.
Have you ever crawled through a window?
Yes.
Wah, wah, wah.
How about driven a car?
I have.
Wah, wah, wah.
Because when we were on the boat, you said this is just like driving a car.
Because it is.
I driven a boat, but
And
not
it
a
turns
car.
sharp.
Should we get a boat?
Yes.
Yes. Wait.
And then you can just go out and they'll have the rental.
Like and subscribe for a boat, or else I will hunt you down in your
Like and
house.
subscribe for a cookie.
They're gonna take you up on that, KJ. KJ owes everyone a cookie if you subscribe, and like, today is throwing up all the blocks. This is real life right here. This ain't some vlog where you cut out all the other stuff like real parenting and the things that go wrong. We just roll with the punches, because at that point, let's be honest, that's God, and he has a different plan for our day. So here we go for Ocean Grill.
Exactly.
Hopefully they're not like tables of 5 only. Get out of here. I don't think they'll do that though.
I hope not.
Scary. This guy's been here as long as I can remember. It's getting old.
They're putting a table together.
I've like never filmed
What's
this.
nice is it's a little small type of room, so they can at least go look out.
Oh,
The littlest one, can, like go look out the window. You don't have to worry
The
about
little back
tripping.
party room, yep.
Yeah.
Is it really that room?
Yeah.
They're
I think we've eaten in that room before.
Yeah, we've eaten in our room before.
I've
It's
eaten
perfect
in
with
that
your
room,
kids.
and that's where we celebrated my dad's birthday before he died.
Oh, nice. Such a memorable room.
It is. And I'm going to sit in his seat.
You wanna go in the, should we go in the gift shop?
Here.
She's crazy. Lily, come on. Mel. I'm kind of a big deal. Kind of a big deal. Sorry, ma'am, no phone calls in here.
I want the new flavor, that blue flavor right there, that new flavor.
Dude, we came to Ocean Grill and that's what you want? The Gatorade? That's what you're concerned about?
I know, look at that. No, I'll show you which Gatorade. It's the new kind of flavor.
No, put it back.
No, it's the new
I understand that.
vitamin Gatorade.
We're gonna come back. We're gonna come back.
After you eat.
Where are we?
Can I hold it? Ocean Grill.
Do you love Ocean Grill? Have you been here before? Go.
Of course I have.
Go.
Gentlemen, hats off.
Take your hat off, though. Papa said so. Go. Perfect.
Oh, I thought it was the back one.
This is perfect too. This is actually great.
Mom, have you ever eaten here?
I call a seat next to Melanie.
Taking me there before. And you guys are sitting there?
Where am I sitting? I'll sit here. Perfect.
Can I have a cheese?
Feels like you're in a boat. I don't need one. She gets that and then some
Are you excited for chicken nuggets?
lemonade. What did you want?
Do you see Lily? What's Lily doing?
Oh, yourself.
Filming yourself. He likes to see herself.
I mean, this has been on YouTube and
Emma has a video of her getting her ears pierced and has 90,000 views. There's like hundreds of comments on it. Yes, everyone knows that's how she take it and squirt it all this ceiling.
This is Dallas Jake's birthday today, and Katie's Nicole, and Jake here.
SUV thing.
So your door's open.
Your door's open.
Jake.
Open and close it.
yeah, do it while we're moving.
Do it.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Oh, I did catch the clip of it.
Okay, let's see how he is.
Good number.
I'm gonna pull this off.
I'm just joking. It's an accident.
KJ, do you know where my office is?
No, I have no clue.
Where's my office? Phil, do you know?
Yeah.
I do.
It's like, no, Jake, don't say it. It's like, it's not it.
I was gonna say like a random building.
It's right there.
Oh, you do real estate?
That first guy who came up with that was Alex McWilliams.
Have you guys ever been to Polo? Like
It's
it?
not like $400.
We spent $500. I know, but it's really good.
Kevin.
My baby.
What?
Kevin.
Baby.
What?
I said Kevin.
Kevin! yeah?
Kevin.
Kevin.
I am the Kevin from Home Alone.
Kevin.
What?
Kevin, are you in here?
Yes, I'm right
Kevin,
here.
are you in here?
No, your name's KJ. I'm looking for Kevin. Not KJ.
My actual name is Kevin.
But I'm looking for KJ, not Kevin.
It's Kevin James.
I'm looking for KJ.
Actually, it's Kevin Jones.
That was close now.
Kevin, are you in here?
Yes, I'm in here. I'm right here.
I don't see Kevin. Sorry, guys. Kevin just left the film.
I'm right here. Is that the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, bye-bye. I can't find Kevin. I'll update you when I find him.
split, Jake.
There you go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
No.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jake. Happy birthday to you.
Now blow out the candles.
Make a wish. Or pray.
Yay! You better not wish to marry a cupcake again.
He wished for a phone.
Yeah, I bet.
Dad does school like his